Okay. So I'm very excited because not too long ago my oh, and I sprayed this and washed this package off. Just letting you guys know, coronavirus is real. Wash your packages off. But cool. Wow. I was just about to trip out because, like, for real, I was about to lose my mind. But I just remembered. I was like, why did this come alone? You know, I'm bugging. Okay. So here we have the Beetles Gel Polish Frost Nails Tip Set. I've been waiting for this. I ordered it yesterday and I just got it today, so I've been waiting to order it. It's been on my wish list for a little bit, but yesterday I just decided to order it because I wanted to try out some an easier way to do nails, because I just had my baby and I can't, just like acrylics right now is just not something like that's on my mind with the fumes. Also the time it takes to do nails, I can't. Here's a gel polish nail extension gel kit. So I decided to go with poly gel. See how that works out. False tips. These are the 4 sets of acrylic nail display tip manicure tools. So it's a set of 4. And I just brought those so I can work on all nails, like at the same time, like do a design on all 10 nails, come back, do gel polish on all 10 nails, and top coat and put rhinestones on all 10 nails instead of doing 1 nail at a time. Okay, I wasn't supposed to open this. I wasn't supposed to open this, but I'm gonna show y'all up close what these look like. And they're very small. I thought they were bigger than this, but okay. It says on the back, it says accessory curve. Nail making. Accessory curve making model. Nails. If it's backwards, you guys can't see. Like I said, I'm not really gonna edit this video. I just wanted to show you guys what was what. But I'm gonna come back and make another video of these because personally, I thought this was bigger than this, and these people gonna make me. But, bruh, how my big ass nails gonna fit on this little ass thing? Like. And is it gonna hold? Like, let me not. I'll do a review on it in the next video because this is not it. You gotta watch what you spend your money on Amazon. But like, let me not say that. Because let me get used to it first. Let me go see what it do first. Okay. And then I'm pretty sure this is my replacement hand file. But I ordered all these things yesterday and I paid about $78 for all, because this set of 4 was, I think the set of 4 was like between $8 and $10 for the set of 4. I typed in nail magnet holder, and these are what I got because I didn't know the real name for it, so I just typed that in. And then my budget was between $8 to $12. And then for the tips, my budget was $12, and I think I paid, yeah, I cannot tell you. I don't know how much I paid. I think I paid $15 for these, between $12 and $15. And then the extension kit, I think it was like $16.99. Like I said, I'm gonna make another video with everything, with the prices and stuff, and I'll send you guys the link for everything. Okay.